5 Best Humidifiers of 2020. A humidifier is a device that increases humidity in a single room or an entire building. 5 Best Humidifiers of 2020 are: 1. Honeywell HCM 350 Cool Mist Humidifier. 2. Levoit LV600HH Ultrasonic Humidifier. 3. TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier. 4. VicTsing 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. 5. Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Humidifier. 1. Honeywell HCM 350 Cool Mist Humidifier. The Honeywell humidifier's scientifically proven process uses a patented ultraviolet light technology to kill up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water. This provides the assurance that the moisture the humidifier emits is virtually free of germs. Features: water capacity, 1 gallon. Run time, up to 24 hours. Settings, 3 mist levels. Dimension, 17 by 9 by 12 inches. Weight, 8 lb. Pros: quiet. Easy to fill and clean. No over-humidifying or puddles. Cons: filters need frequent replacing. If you wanna buy this product, check out the link in the description. 2. Levoit LV600HH Ultrasonic Humidifier. Most humidifiers may not offer a ton of versatility beyond high and low settings, but the Levoit LV600HH delivers all of the customization you'd need. It has both warm and cool mist settings, an auto mode with an accurate humidity sensor, an aroma diffuser box, adjustable light, plus a remote control and timer so you can set a schedule.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between 2 types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. Levoit.
Features: water capacity, 1.5 gallons. Run time, up to 36 hours. Settings: 3 mist levels, warm, auto mode, timer. Dimensions: 11 by 7 by 10 inches. Weight: 5 lb. Pros: large 6-liter capacity. Remote control and timer. Cons: expensive. If you wanna buy this product, check out the link in the description. 3. TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier. It's not the largest or most powerful humidifier, but this one from TaoTronics does provide the best value for bedrooms up to 320 square feet. The main appeal of the TaoTronics is its quiet operation that makes it fitting for a small bedroom or baby's nursery. This highly configurable humidifier disperses mist really well. Features: water capacity, 1.1 gallons. Run time, 12 to 30 hours. Settings, 3 mist settings. Dimensions, 8 by 5 by 12 inches. Weight, 4 lb. Pros, Nightlight and sleep mode. Quiet. Cons, humidity sensor may not be reliable. If you wanna buy this product, check out the link in the description. 4. VicTsing 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. An essential oil diffuser usually won't be powerful enough to disperse much moisture through large living spaces, but this diffuser is a 2-in-1 cool mist humidifier with more style than most at an affordable price. When you walked past a bakery, you know how smells can impact your feelings. That's why oil diffusers are a great way to set the mood. Features, water capacity, 500 milliliters. Run time, up to 20 hours. Settings, 2/3 mist settings. Dimensions, 7 by 7 by 10 inches. Weight, 2 lb. Pros, oil diffuser and humidifier. Wood grain design and LED lights. Cons, not spill-proof. If you wanna buy this product, check out the link in the description. 5. Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment humidifier shape makes it easy to see when the water gets low, though it will automatically turn off when empty. Users who put it in their bedroom enjoyed its quiet operation and using the blue glow as a nightlight. Features, water capacity, 4 gallon. Run time, up to 16 hours. Settings, 2 mist levels. Dimensions, 8 by 6 by 9 inches. Weight, 2 lb. Pros, quiet and compact. Optional LED nightlight. Cons, difficult to clean. If you wanna buy this product, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Share and comments, subscribe now for new videos and update.